Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, please don't make it your last. Click on the subscribe button, and if it's not your first, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be making turkey stew, and the ingredients is going to be in the description box. First off, I'm going to be seasoning my turkey, and to season my turkey I'm going to be using seasoning cubes, ginger and garlic powder, thyme, curry, pepper, salt, onions and some water, and I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to be cooking for 15 to 25 minutes to make sure it's tender and soft before I take it out. Once I'm done cooking my turkey, I'll take it down. I'm going to be going in with my oil. After I add my oil to my pan on low heat, I'm going to add my onions, and I'll be frying that for 2 to 3 minutes. Once I'm done frying my onions, I'm going to add my tomato paste, and I'm going to fry for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to add my pepper and tomato mix, and I'm going to combine. After that, I'm going to be going in with my seasoning cubes. I'll also go in with thyme. After that, I'm going to add my curry. And I'll go in with my ginger and garlic powder. I'm going to add some crayfish, and I'll combine. After I'm done mixing, I'm going to add some water. After I'm done adding the water, I'll allow to cook for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add my turkey, and I'm going to combine properly. Once I'm done combining, I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to cover to cook for a few minutes. Once you see only oil on top of the stew, once you open it, you know your stew is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share, like and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.